Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna with rice. Start by cooking rice using a 1:2 rice to water ratio and keep it covered. While rice simmers, drain and flake canned tuna, then prepare simple seasonings like soy sauce, sesame oil, and lime. Mix warm rice and tuna gently to keep texture, then taste and adjust salt or heat. Serve hot or chilled with fresh herbs. In this video, I will show how to make tuna with rice. Start by rinsing rice until water runs clear and set it to cook with measured water. Meanwhile, drain the tuna thoroughly and mince aromatics such as garlic and green onion for bright flavor. Prepare a simple dressing of soy sauce, sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Toss everything together while rice is warm to meld flavors. In this video, I will show how to make tuna with rice. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free help to your kitchen while you cook, so you can time rice and ask for conversions without touching your phone. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make tuna with rice. Toast the rice lightly in oil if you want a nuttier flavor, then add water and simmer undisturbed. Fold tuna and dressing into warm rice carefully to avoid mashing grains. Taste and adjust soy sauce, lime, or chili to find balance. Serve with sliced cucumber or a fried egg for a satisfying meal that comes together quickly and stays versatile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.